Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account to your Gumroad account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Gumroad dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon located there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open your account settings page where you can configure different aspects of your Gumroad account, including payment information, which is essential for receiving your earnings. Once you're on the settings page, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several tabs available and you want to click on Payments. This section is specifically designed to manage how you receive money from your sales, making it a crucial part of setting up your Gumroad account properly. Now scroll down through the payments page until you reach the bank account section. This is where you'll be able to link your bank account so Gumroad can transfer your earnings directly to you. Having your bank account connected ensures you receive payments smoothly without any delays. In this section, you'll see several fields that need to be filled out with your banking information. Start by entering your BIC, which is your bank identifier code. This helps identify your specific bank in the international banking system. Next, enter your account number in the designated field. This is the unique number associated with your bank account where you want your funds deposited. Continue by filling in your first and last name exactly as they appear on your bank account. This ensures that the account details match your banking records. After that, enter your address, including your street and any additional address details. Then fill in your city, postal code, and select your country from the drop-down menu. These details are necessary for verification purposes and to ensure compliance with banking regulations. Next, enter your phone number in the appropriate field. This contact information may be used for verification or communication regarding your payments. Finally, enter your date of birth. This is another verification step that helps confirm your identity and ensures the security of your financial information. Once you've filled in all the required banking details, take a moment to review everything and make sure all the information is accurate. Errors in your banking information could delay your payments or cause issues with transferring funds. After you've double-checked everything, look to the upper right corner of the page and click Update Settings. This will save all your banking information and connect your bank account to your Gumroad account. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account to Gumroad, which means you're now all set to receive payments from your sales directly to your bank. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.